Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G-Shock GA-710. So first things first, we're going to want to make sure that our analog hands are properly zeroed. That way when we set our digital time, they'll also display the correct time. To do this, we're going to press and hold our adjust button, and we're going to keep holding it after the first beep. Keep holding it. Once we hear that second beep, we'll see H set and 000 start flashing. So we want our hands to be pointing at directly 12 o'clock. We can go forward with start and backwards with reverse. So we'll adjust that to be pointing directly at 12. And once that's set, we can press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. So to enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold adjust again, but we're going to let go after the first beep. Now we'll see our first setting, which we can adjust forward and back with start and reset, and this is for our time zone or city code. To enter our next setting, we're going to press mode. Now we can choose daylight savings off or on. Mode again will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will allow us to zero our seconds with start. Mode again will allow us to set our hour. Mode again will allow us to set our minutes. Mode once more will allow us to set our year. Mode again for our month. Mode once more for our day. Mode again will allow us to choose if we want our watch to beep, which is key, or be muted. And finally, mode will bring us to LT1 or 3, which is simply our backlight duration in seconds. Once that's all set, we can simply press adjust, and now our watch will automatically set itself to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please be sure to check out the channel and consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.